Hi, everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you. Thank you for taking the time to tune into this segment of the AWS Summit Online. My talk today will focus on solving common business problems with AI and machine learning. I'll be starting with an overview of machine learning, followed by outlining some of the key ingredients that make a good machine learning use case. I will then be going over some common machine learning use cases. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, these are all terms that you've probably heard being described in a number of ways. Let us take a step back to level set on what they are. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a term used to describe any system that can mimic tasks that previously required human intelligence. Almost always, this requires some kind of complex decision-making where human judgment would be required. Most use cases for AI are looking for a probabilistic outcome, making a prediction or decision with a high degree of certainty similar to a human judgment. Machine learning, or ML, is a subset of AI, and almost all AI systems today are created using machine learning. ML refers to using large amounts of data to create and validate decision logic known as a model. The AI application then feeds input data into that model, and the model outputs human-like decisions. So machine learning is the underlying technology that is powering many intelligent systems today. And deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses a technique known as deep neural networks. These systems are inspired from how the human brain functions. This lets AI systems address more complex use cases than was previously possible. For a long time, machine learning was limited to a few major tech companies and hardcore academic researchers. Soon, it went from being an aspirational technology to mainstream extremely fast. The point when this change happened was when cloud computing entered the mainstream that made compute power and data become more available. It is not an exaggeration to say that today machine learning is now making an impact across almost every industry, be it finance, retail, fashion, real estate, healthcare, automotive, and so on. It's moving from the peripheral to now becoming a core part of every business and industry. According to IDC, spending on AI and cognitive technologies for this year will exceed $50 billion. Gartner predicts that by end of 2024, 75% of enterprises will shift from piloting to operationalizing AI. And Deloitte found that over half of organizations think that AI will transform their organizations in the next 3 years. One of the keys to being successful with machine learning is to pick the right use case to apply it to. And today, I'm going to share a framework for doing that and talk through some very specific use cases. There are a few hallmarks of a good ML use case. To get to these, a good starting point is to ask your team a few questions. And the key is really to balance speed and business value. On the one hand, you will want to maintain momentum and find a use case that can be implemented in 6 to 10 months. At the same time, the use case should solve a real problem for the business and be important enough to get attention and adoption. Otherwise, it is doomed to live in the fun experiment category. Next, you will want to look for places where you already have lots of untapped data. Lastly, evaluate whether the problem actually needs machine learning or whether this is more of a one-off data science experience. And will it benefit from machine learning, or are you fixing a problem that isn't actually broken? To help identify the right problem to apply ML, we use a simple technique to assess them across 3 dimensions: The first is data readiness, the second is business impact, and third is the ML applicability. A problem that has high business impact but no data and little ML applicability is going to lead to a frustrated data scientist. Lots of data and ML applicability with no business impact is a prototype to build experience, but is not going to drive meaningful change in your organization. A project that has all three is a strong ML project, but even just 2 out of these is also a great place to start. You can rank these easily on a chart with some rough estimation to see where you want to start. There are several use cases, and these will vary based on your business, but there are 4 that I will talk through today that are common for our customers across industry verticals. The first is intelligent search, second is personalization, third is contact center intelligence, and the last is intelligent document processing. Let's start with one of the most common use cases, finding information quickly and easily. On a daily basis, the modern digital workplace amasses huge volumes of unstructured data, such as text documents, web pages, images, audio, and video. All departments across the enterprise, including engineering and research, customer service, sales and marketing, finance, and HR, need specific information to perform their roles. With 80% of enterprise data being unstructured, it is difficult to search, discover, and analyze the right information to gain insights and make decisions. In the past, customers have often relied on keyword searches, which lack context and are often inaccurate. This leaves employees spending a considerable amount of their time trying to find information and often leaves them unable to find the right information. Further, deploying a search engine that can learn and improve its models based on customer-specific data is a difficult task to undertake for any enterprise. AWS is solving this enterprise search problem with Amazon Kendra. Amazon Kendra is a highly accurate and easy-to-use intelligent search service powered by machine learning that uses natural language understanding and reading comprehension to deeply understand content and questions. Kendra reimagines enterprise search for websites and applications so customers can easily find the content they're looking for, even when it is scattered across multiple locations and content repositories within an organization. Using Amazon Kendra, customers can stop searching content through troves of unstructured data and discover the right answers to their questions when they need them. It is a fully managed service, so there are no servers to provision and no machine learning models to build, train, or deploy. Kendra's ML-powered intelligent search technology delivers actionable insights to real-world enterprise customers, allowing them to democratize the organization's knowledge base, increase workforce productivity, improve self-service and satisfaction, accelerate regulatory compliance, improve talent utilization and revenue lift, ensure employees have access to relevant and fresh insights, and promote effective collaboration with experts across the organization. Leading industry names like 3M, TC Energy, Sage, and Woodside Energy are using Amazon Kendra in production to power intelligent search. 3M uses Amazon Kendra to connect its scientists to years of research from across the company so they can innovate faster. The second common use case is personalization. In a time when organizations are relying on digital channels more than ever, creating personalized experiences and targeted marketing communications is essential for cutting through that noise that customers receive on a daily basis to improve engagement, conversion, and revenue. According to a 2019 McKinsey study, According to a 2019 McKinsey study, organizations that have implemented personalized recommendations and triggered communications have realized a 5 to 10% increase in revenue and a 10 to 30% increase in the efficiency of their marketing spend. However, many organizations are struggling to realize the benefits of personalization in meaningful ways. Irrelevant communications and recommendations frustrate customers, resulting in disengagement and ultimately lost sales. Amazon.com pioneered personalization in 1998 when it introduced an array of features to better serve book buyers, including instant recommendations from its large catalogs. Since then, Amazon has leveraged decades of research in personalization to enhance the customer experience across Amazon.com, Prime Video, Amazon Music, Kindle, and Alexa through recommended items and content widgets. AWS customers can take advantage of these decades of experience to enable developers to build applications with machine learning techniques used by Amazon.com for real-time personalized recommendations with no prior ML expertise required. AWS offers organizations two approaches that can be used to implement an ML-based solution to personalizing customer experiences. Customers who have data scientists and want deeper customization can use Amazon SageMaker, our ML service for building, training, and deploying any ML model faster and more efficiently. Customers who have smaller data science teams or none at all can get started quickly with Amazon Personalize. Amazon Personalize is the fastest and easiest way to start leveraging the power of personalization today. It is a service that allows you to create real-time, personalized user experiences at scale, making it possible for you to implement a sophisticated recommendation system in days, not months. Amazon Personalize enables you to build applications based on the same personalization technology used by Amazon.com. And it easily integrates into your existing websites, apps, SMS, and email marketing system to expand personalization across all channels and devices. Customers can get started with no prior machine learning experience using simple APIs to easily integrate sophisticated personalization capabilities into their systems and platforms. Amazon Personalize automates the complex steps required to build, train, tune, and deploy a machine learning recommendation model so customers can deliver personalized user experiences faster. Using Personalize, customers can help enterprises deliver unique homepage experiences, help customers discover their products faster, enhance marketing communications, refine product recommendations, create relevant product rankings, and boost upsell and cross-sell. Companies across industries like Subway, Lotmart, Pulse Live, and Zalando are using machine learning to personalize their user experiences. The Subway restaurant chain offers guests in over 100 countries quality ingredients and flavor combinations with nearly 7 million made-to-order sandwiches created daily. Using Amazon Personalize, they were able to quickly and easily deliver personalized recommendations to their customers. With Amazon SageMaker, Zalando can steer campaigns better, generate personalized outfits, and deliver better experiences for their customers, and engineers and data scientists' productivity has increased by over 20%. And those are just few of the success stories we've heard from customers using Amazon Personalize to deliver tailored digital experiences to their customers to improve engagement, conversion, and revenue. Along with intelligent search and personalization, customers across the board are looking at ways they can leverage technology to make their contact centers more productive and effective. 57% of global customer service decision makers say that improving customer experience is a high or critical business priority over the next 12 months. However, many companies still struggle to optimize the service experience, and more than 1/4 manage their customer service operations solely as a cost center. Machine learning can provide many benefits for contact centers by improving efficiency for organizations and, in turn, lowering cost and improving the customer experience. These solutions are helping to transform the modern contact center from a cost center into a profit center. Some of the business benefits of implementing AI/ML in contact centers can include increasing customer satisfaction, improving employee satisfaction, reducing costs, decreasing time to resolution, reducing call wait times, and evolving existing metrics. From large-scale established companies to startups, AWS provides flexible options to easily add AI/ML to contact centers at any stage of the journey. AWS offers two ways to implement machine learning into customer call centers. One through Amazon Connect, and the other through AWS Contact Center Intelligence, CCI. For companies needing an easy-to-use, omni-channel cloud contact center, we have Amazon Connect. This service, used by tens of thousands of companies to serve millions of customers daily, provides a single unified contact center for voice and chat. Amazon Connect is ML-enabled by default, allowing agents to immediately automate interactions and improving customer service. For organizations that already have a contact center solution in place, the AWS Contact Center Intelligence CCI solutions offer a variety of ways that organizations can leverage AI/ML for business benefit. These solutions, available through partners like Genesys, offer easy integration with existing enterprise systems and reduce the time and effort to get insights from your contact center. Amazon Connect is an easy-to-use, omni-channel cloud contact center that helps companies provide superior customer service at a lower cost. This service provides a single unified contact center for voice and chat and easily integrates into other systems such as customer relationship management, workforce optimization, or workforce management systems. Amazon Connect is AI and machine learning enabled by default, allowing agents to immediately use AWS AI services with Amazon Connect to automate interactions and improve customer service. Amazon Connect has natural text-to-speech built in, so you can create personalized messages in real time. With Amazon Lex, an Amazon service that builds conversational interfaces into any application with speech-to-text and natural language understanding, you can use the same powerful technology that powers Alexa across voice and chat, easing the handoff between agents with context. Amazon Connect also leverages AI to transcribe calls and show caller sentiment in real time. And then mine your customer engagement data to surface insights and spot trends. In addition, Contact Lens for Amazon Connect is a set of machine learning capabilities integrated into Amazon Connect that allows contact center supervisors to better understand the sentiment, trends, and compliance risks of customer conversations to effectively train agents, replicate successful interactions, and identify crucial company and product feedback. Companies like Intuit, GE Appliances, and Dow Jones use Amazon Connect to run their contact centers at lower cost while easily scaling to thousands of agents. AWS Contact Center Intelligence solutions can quickly and easily add intelligence to an existing contact center solution to improve service and reduce cost. AWS CCI solutions enable customers with almost any contact center solution to leverage off-the-shelf functionality powered by AI/ML. AWS CCI is available via three main solutions. The first, a self-service digital interaction leveraging Amazon Lex, a service for building conversational interfaces that are lifelike and easy to deploy, combined with Amazon Kendra for intelligent search, allowing customers to find answers or complete transactions without the assistance of a live agent. The second is Agent Assist Interactions, provides AI-powered speech analytics to call centers. This solution leverages Amazon Transcribe to perform real-time speech transcription and Amazon Comprehend to analyze the transcription for sentiment and keywords and phrases. Additionally, Amazon Translate can be used to translate the conversation if required, and Amazon QuickSight, a cloud-powered business intelligence service, making it easy to deliver insights to everyone in the organization. Lastly, Post-Call Analytics allows customers to gain insights from previously recorded calls or chats using Amazon Transcribe, Comprehend, Translate, and QuickSight. Lastly, many of today's organizations have a large number of documents that are critical to business processes. Extracting, processing, and analyzing data from these documents is traditionally performed through manual systems and tasks, which are outdated, slow, time and cost-intensive, and difficult to scale. Intelligent document processing is changing the equation. Powered by AI/ML, it can help organizations extract text from millions of documents, understand the sentiment of relationships between that data, and even include a human step to validate, correct, or augment the machine learning results for higher accuracy and compliance. IDP solutions from AWS can help to empower the employees, clients, and customers of these businesses with fast, easy access to the document data they need, while helping them discover new insights from data that was previously difficult to extract and analyze. Organizations across all industries are turning to IDP to unlock a number of key benefits, including improved data accuracy, faster document data processing, higher customer satisfaction, and cost savings. For organizations that are looking to get started with an IDP solution today with no AI/ML expertise required, AWS offers AI services such as Amazon Textract, Amazon Comprehend, Amazon Augmented AI, and Amazon Kendra. Combined together or used separately, these AWS AI services can provide a powerful way to reduce cost and manual effort and improve your business outcomes. Amazon Textract uses machine learning to automatically extract handwriting, printed text, and data from scanned documents. It goes beyond traditional optical character recognition by accurately extracting text, forms, tables, and other data without the need for any manual effort or custom code. Amazon Comprehend is a natural language processing service that uses machine learning to find insights and relationships in text. The service identifies the language of the text, extracts key phrases, places, people, or brands, understands the sentiment in text, and automatically organizes a collection of text files by topic. Amazon Comprehend Medical extends the power of NLP to healthcare and life science organizations. The service makes it easy to use machine learning to extract relevant medical information from unstructured text. Using Amazon Comprehend Medical, you can quickly and accurately gather critical data such as medical conditions, medications, dosage, strength, and frequency from a variety of sources like doctor's notes and clinical trial reports. Amazon Augmented AI makes it easy to build and manage human reviews for IDP and other machine learning applications. The service provides built-in human review workflows for common use cases, such as content moderation and text extraction from documents. Using Amazon A2I, you can send any document to a human for review to ensure the text, phrase, or information is processed accurately. Additionally, you can use this human review information to retrain your machine learning model to provide for accuracy downstream. Customers can also use Amazon SageMaker to create customer document processing solutions. Customers across sectors like Kabbage, Thomson Reuters, and the NHS are leveraging IDP solutions in production for document extraction and analysis. Kabbage, a data and technology company in the financial service sector, currently provides over 500,000 small businesses with access to more than $16 billion of working capital. They needed a fast, automated way to process Paycheck Protection Program loans through the COVID-19 pandemic. Using Amazon Textract, Kabbage was able to support 80% of its applicants to receive a fully automated lending experience and reduced approval times from multiple days to a median speed of 4 hours. For all of these use cases and more, SageMaker Jumpstart helps you easily and quickly bring machine learning applications to market. Solutions can be used out of the box or can be customized for a specific business problem, eliminating the need to train an ML model and string together different components of an ML application. You can accelerate time to deploy over 150 open source models. These include one-click deployable ML models and algorithms from popular model zoos. You can also get started with just a few clicks and easily bring ML applications to market using pre-built solutions which are pre-configured with all necessary AWS services required to launch into production, including a CloudFormation template and a reference architecture. SageMaker Jumpstart includes solutions that are pre-configured with all necessary AWS services to launch a solution into production. They are fully customizable, so you can easily modify to fit your specific use case and dataset. They include over 15 use cases, including demand forecasting, fraud detection, and predictive maintenance, and can be readily deployed with just a few clicks. The Machine Learning Solutions Lab can also help you identify and implement a use case. We work with customers directly through our Machine Learning Solutions Lab to pair their teams with Amazon machine learning experts to help them work backwards from business challenges and then go step by step through the process of developing machine learning-based solutions. You joined the AWS Summit to learn, and you can keep the learning going after the summit with resources from AWS training and certification. We offer over 65 courses, many available free and on demand, as well as virtual, instructor-led training. AWS experts will help you or your team learn to apply ML to your business, unlocking new insights and value. When you're ready, prepare for the AWS Certified Machine Learning Specialty Exam, which validates your skills and provides an industry-recognized credential. For more information, visit aws.training/machine learning and be sure to check out our AWS Ramp-Up Guide to learn more. Thank you.